Hello, I know these videos get barely any views, but I just want to try it. Yeah. 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 That was very cringe. Hold on, can I do something? Oh. I don't know why this is fun. Well, I'm gonna see if my little plushy penguin actually verifies as a parrot. Probably not. Nope. Let's try this other plushie. Okay, guess I'm the only one who spawns as a thing. Anyway, guys, this is pretty fun. I don't know why, but I'll see you in the next short video, whatever. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. What the heck? Why am I tweaking? I was like just doing this.